Right, moment of truth. Oh no, no, no. Oh, that's not good. You pull a bit of the carpet back, you can just see daylight straight away. Welcome back to Fuel Not Fused. Today we're back on the Evo. I'm waiting for some parts for the back. I've ordered some more metal. I've ordered some welding wire as well. So while we're waiting for that, I'm going to have a look at the front because I've been avoiding the front, focusing all my efforts on the back. The back's getting there now. We're not far off painting it. So today I'm going to take the front seats out, pull the carpet up and see the horrors that I've been avoiding for the past year, embarrassingly. I bought these from WMD a while ago. Speaking of WMD, today I'm going to go and drop off some bits for blasting. Going to see the boys down there. So yeah, bought these from Fraser. They go into the front. I know mine are gone about where my thumb is, so rather than patch it up, just get the repair panels and put them in. But I haven't really looked at how bad they are or the area around it, so we'll have a look today. It's pretty cold today, so I'm not going to be lying underneath it and doing anything like that. It snowed this afternoon, so I'm being a bitch, but I want to make some progress while I'm off work, so let's get these out. While I'm doing this, thank you to everyone that's subscribed lately. We're doing really well now. I think we're about 800, so I'm trying to get to 1,000. It doesn't really matter, but it makes me feel better. I actually don't think the seats are too bad in this car. I'm going to show you. I'm quite excited about them. Probably one of the best bits of the car, to be honest. No rips, no tears. Oh, right, isn't they? Right, moment of truth. I hope these don't break the clips. Oh no, no, no. Oh, that's not good. You pull a bit of the carpet back, you can just see daylight straight away. It's never a good sign when the screws holding stuff down under it are already loose. Somebody's been here before and seen how bad this is. Okay, so she's a bit crispy. We've got a bit of a hole here. But, oh, yeah. Yeah, that's less than ideal. Well, it's a good job we got those bits from Fraser then. Right, it's another day. The front of the car depressed me, so I'm back on the back. Taking more under seal off, and I'm going to cut the rust out of the top by the strut today. So let's get on with it. So you can probably see them from there. Actually, these holes up here, you shouldn't be able to see daylight. Everyone's got their different methods for taking under seal off. I always just burn it, get it red hot, and then it just scrapes off nice and easy. Just comes straight off, look. But if you know of any quicker, better, easier ways, just let me know in the comments. Nice bit of inner wheel arch. This is the trouble with these cars, right? The inside of this looks fairly solid, but flake away that top bit of rust and it just isn't that. So I think we're going to end up cutting a bit more out of that, doing a bigger repair. It didn't look too bad from where I was, but, and that's the trouble, look, that side, some people will just put a patch over that, but you can't do it. I'm meant to have this big snowstorm tonight, and it's the wind's getting up now. It's getting dark. It's about 4:15. But I want to get it done. No piece knocked up, let's get her in. Right, I'm going to stop now for today because the snow's just started properly, and it's very cold, and it's about 8 o'clock at night. So I've managed to get a coat of primer and get some seam sealer on the wheel arch. So I'm over the moon, bit of progress. That's this side done now. Rust repair rise, just ready for the stone chip. I'm going to Raptor it, I think, because I can mix the Raptor with the base coat colour of the car so that it all matches. I know it looks a bit of a dog's dinner in there at the minute, but I just wanted to get some primer on there. I've used Zinc 182. I've used that stuff in the past and it's really good. So yeah, making progress. You can see how cold it is. Please follow the build and subscribe to the channel. We picked some stuff up from WMD yesterday, so I'll put a picture in now. I'm really happy with that. But Sam, one of the mechanics there, was showing me my camber holes have rounded slightly and corroded, so I've got to repair the aluminium on that. So that'll be in the next video, and the next video will be the front footwell repairs, which I'm a little bit scared of. But yeah, that's the back end of the car making really good progress now. So we're on set for Japfest. So yeah, please subscribe, send it to your mates, comment on the video.